The Amazing Helen Keller. When Annie Sullivan arrived in Alabama, she did not know what to expect. She had been hired to teach a girl named Helen Keller. When Helen was 19 months old, she had come down with a peculiar disease. The disease left her unable to hear, see, or talk. Now she was 7 years old. Miss Sullivan's job was to teach Helen how to communicate. As soon as she arrived, Miss Sullivan got to work. She gave Helen a doll and taught her how to spell the word doll in sign language. Helen made the same motions with her fingers as Miss Sullivan, but she did not yet recognize that she was making letters with her fingers. Their first month together was filled with much distress. Helen behaved very badly. Her parents did not know how to control her because they could not talk to her. No one even knew if Helen was smart enough to understand language. One day, Helen and Miss Sullivan got into a fight. Miss Sullivan was trying to teach Helen the word water. Helen kept confusing the word mug with the word water. Finally, Miss Sullivan took Helen outside to a water pump. As the water flowed over Helen's hands, Miss Sullivan spelled water again in sign language. Helen was very attentive. Then she got excited. She finally understood. She spent the rest of the day learning the names of everything in her world. After that day, Helen blossomed. She learned how to read Braille, which is a kind of writing for people who cannot see. But she didn't just learn English. She also learned French, German, Greek, and Latin. She became the first deaf and blind person to graduate from college. She became famous all around the world as a writer and a speaker. And just think, if it weren't for Annie Sullivan, she might not have ever been given a chance to learn. Turn the page. We have 5 questions to answer. After each question, pause the video so you can write your response. 1. Why couldn't Helen Keller hear, see, or talk? 2. What was the first word Miss Sullivan tried to teach Helen? 3. Why didn't Helen's parents teach her how to behave? 4. Why did Helen get excited when she felt the water from the pump? And 5. What languages did Helen understand?